Let's make deep lo-fi house. First, let's set the tempo somewhat slow like 122 BPM and start with a kick from a sample pack. Some claps. Some closed hi-hats. Some open hi-hats. And after 8 bars, let's add some crashes. And some rides. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a sample pack Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. These samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now to give the drums their lo-fi vibe, let's link all the drums except the kick to a mixer channel. And load up a vintage cover plugin like Origin. Then some reverb. And EQ to cut the lows. And boost some of the highs. Then we need some dreamy vocals.
Walk with me. Walk with Walk with me. Walk with me.
Then let's make some piano chords to fit the vocals. I'll turn this to audio. And sidechain it. Add some vintage color. Some EQ to dip some of the lows. Some reverb. And some delay. Then we need a groovy and repetitive bass. Let's just sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Then we need some pads. I'll link both of them to a mixer channel, sidechain it, and adjust DQ. Then we need some soft plucks. Now I'll add some strings to make the track a bit more atmospheric. I'll sidechain this, boost the highs, and turn down the lows. Now I'll add some guitars. And moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add a distorted lead. I'll sidechain this, turn down lows, and saturate the highs. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the claps, and the pads, and add the bass after 4 bars. After another 4 bars, let's add the open hi-hats, the piano, the vocals, the crashes, and some downlifters. Moving on to the build-up, let's get rid of the kick. Then add some build-up drums.
Walk with me.
And some rises.
Walk with me. Walk with me.
And let's also create a high-pass filter on the master to thin out the build-up so that the drop sounds huge.
Walk with me. Walk with me.
Now let's duplicate this and just change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.